Women's leggings, men's t-shirts. They sound like they have nothing in common, right? Well, I'm gonna show you that they have a lot in common. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a whole bunch of topics, trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. And earlier, I made a very bold statement. I said, women's leggings, men's t-shirts, they have a lot in common. And you probably are wondering, what the hell is wrong with you, Chris? But by the end of this video, I think you're gonna see my point. We're really not gonna be talking that much about leggings. The point is men's t-shirts. Well, let me explain. So you guys may remember Foxy Dudette Sarah. She's been on a bunch of videos here on the channel, and she sells leggings. Now, the leggings that she sells are great from what I understand. You know, I don't use leggings myself, but it's supposed to, you know, make their asses look better. It smooths out all the lumps, all the bumps. As she describes it, it's liposuction in a legging. Okay, so what is the guy's equivalent to the leggings? T-shirts. And that brings me to the brand Essentials. Essentials has the world's best t-shirt. Put one on, it'll make you look like 10 pounds lighter. And why is that? Well, for women, and this is a great generalization, okay? I understand not all body types are the same for guys or for gals, so just bear with me. Usually when women gain weight, it's usually in their lower section. It's in their thighs, in their hips, their butts, okay? When guys gain weight, the issue is in their stomachs, their man boobs. And, you know, if a guy doesn't look muscular in a t-shirt, it can be a problem, right? Or at least we perceive it as a problem. So Essentials basically does what the women's leggings do, but in a t-shirt for men. So it'll make you look slimmer, it's more form-fitting, it's stretchy, which is good because you don't want like a loose baggy t-shirt. You want a more form-fitted t-shirt. So these aren't your daddy's t-shirts. These aren't Hanes basic cotton. These are bamboo cotton, made to really fit you, be comfortable, soft. I mean, I wish you guys could feel this t-shirt. This t-shirt is one of Essentials. I've talked about them before. You can see that video here where we've discussed t-shirts, how to style a t-shirt, and they're really a great basic. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. Like, I wouldn't be afraid to wear a Essentials t-shirt with a suit. Yeah, the quality, they'll last wash after wash, and what's great is they always have black, they always have white, but then they bump it up with some different colors too. I will recommend you guys though, if you see a color you like, grab it, because not all the colors come back in rotation, and you know, if you miss out on it, it's gone. Like, I got a burgundy one that I absolutely love. It's gone now. They don't make it anymore. So I'm lucky I got the ones I have, but you know, unless they do another drop here and make a comeback, they're gone for good. So when you see something you like, pick it up because it may not be here later. What's also great too is they're stretchy. It's perfect. The perfect t-shirt. I love these. I am slowly rotating my circulation of t-shirts with just Essentials. Great basics at an affordable cost, and you can save a little bit of money with our discount code WELLROUNDED. You can see that on the screen here, and I really can't say enough good things about them. You'll look better, you'll feel better, and I'm not saying that you guys shouldn't hit the gym or work out, but let's be honest, not everybody does that. Not everybody can do that. But you still want to look your best, and Essentials is the way to go. Not to mention, Essentials has a bunch of other things like sweaters, hoodies, joggers. They've got chinos. The chinos are great. I've got a pair of those. They are amazing. I was a little on the fence about them at first, but once I got them, I loved them. So it's a great clothing brand. You guys definitely should give them a shot. Plus, with the holidays coming up, give the gift of fantastic basics. And like I said, that discount code will save you a little bit of cash, and your recipient will love looking better in their basics. Alright guys, I hope you got value out of this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. It helps the channel out immensely. Also too, check out Essentials. They've got some great stuff, and you'll be able to get some great Christmas gifts or some stuff for yourself. Great basics at an affordable cost. If you're interested in getting some leggings or something for your girl, down in the comments, do let me know, and I'll have Sarah get back to you because she's all about that, and it would help her out immensely too. So thank you again. Check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% off your total purchase off our merch page, and we got some cool stuff there too, guys. And don't forget to check out our podcast. And until next time, peace.